Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate marketing campaigns with HubSpot step by step clearly.
Log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab on the top menu. Select Email from the drop-down options. Click on the Create Email button. Choose the type of email you want to send, either regular or automated. For automated campaigns, select Automated and then click Next. Choose a goal for your email campaign, such as educating leads or promoting a product. Click Next to continue. Design your email using the drag-and-drop editor or by selecting a pre-designed template.
Add your content, including text, images, and call-to-action buttons.
Once you're satisfied with the design, click Next. Review your email settings, including the subject line and sender details. Click Next to proceed to the audience selection. Choose the contacts to whom you want to send the email.
You can segment your audience based on their behavior, demographics, or previous interactions.
After selecting your audience, click Next. Set up triggers for your automated campaign.
Define the specific actions that will initiate the email, such as signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase.
Click Next to finalize your automation setup. Review all details of your automated campaign in the overview screen. Once everything looks good, click Activate to start your campaign. Monitor the performance of your automated campaigns through the HubSpot Analytics dashboard.
Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to optimize future campaigns.
Continue refining your audience and triggers based on performance data for better results.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.